Hey everybody, I got another pocket letter for you today. So in my past video I showed you the mini flower one I made, mini pocket letter. So this is a full page one, so it was a 9 pocket letter. So this is my large flower power pocket letter. So I have a flower die cut and I made this flower card. So I'm going to put my letter to the person I'm sending it to on the back of it. So yeah, it's like a card and a letter in one. So yeah, so I made that. And then, and I wanted to show it to you. So this is flower tape. I love this tape. Yeah, these are the little sparkle things. I got it from Walmart and I just glued it on. And my sparkle tape, so I made little flowers, like little scenes. And there's the green tape I got. I showed that in another video. So yeah, I just made like little scenes and the flowers. See, I did a tree there. And I probably burnt my fingers on the glue gun like 5 or 6 times trying to do this because I have a high temp glue gun. So yeah, and I made this one. The sparkles are so cool, and they're $3, and you get $3 for the package, and you get tons of it, tons of sparkles. And see, you put butterflies in the tree in this one. So yeah, just flowers and trees. Yeah, I like this one. Probably my favorite is this one with the 3 flowers. But yeah, so that's what the front looks like that. And then I'll show you the back here. So I made a flower die cut, and I just put it in here, and I just put a little bits of tape on the back. It's not a super sticky tape, so hopefully when they get it, they'll be able to take it apart and use the parts as they want to. And another pocket letter. And then I found these really cool foam. These are foam sparkle flowers. So oh, those are cool. Goes with the theme. And then I got these Hawaiian flowers. These are all from Walmart. So, and then more flowers, and then like some big solid flower die cuts, and then I got a peace sign and more flowers. See the theme here? Flowers. And then I got these plaid flowers. Those are from the dollar store, I think Dollarama. I got a bunch of them still. And then I included some butterfly stickers to go with the butterflies on the front. More flowers, more die cuts. So yeah. So that is the Flower Power pocket letter. This is for my Facebook group. I haven't got my partner assigned yet. But yeah. So yes, this is the Flower Power pocket letter. I don't know if I'm going to include anything else with it, but I got these really actually funky pencils, so I might actually include some of them with it. Yeah, so yeah, I didn't put any tea in this one. Yeah, maybe I'll put some tea in it. But majority, it's done. So yeah, I'll just have to write my letter. I might include the pencils. I probably put the pencils like in here and then tape it to the back so they don't come loose in shipping. But yeah, so yeah, these include teas, pencils, things like that. What else? I got beads. Oh, could put beads in there too. So yeah, so you just put like little presents in there, and yeah, things that you know send mail well, and things that you personally would like to receive. So yeah, yeah. So that is my pocket letter, Flower Power pocket letter. Later.